One Kansas City man says he regrets not getting vaccinated after he contracted COVID-19 and ended up in the hospital. KSHB 41 News reporter Emma James gives us his message for others who aren't vaccinated yet.
At first, 39-year-old Antoine Dunnigan thought he had a cold.
And as time went on, I started feeling a little bit more weaker, and I wasn't able to stand. I started getting dizzy.
Before he knew it, he was having trouble breathing and ended up at the ER at Research Medical Center. He was diagnosed with COVID-19 along with pneumonia and admitted to the ICU. He says the scariest part was realizing his body wasn't getting enough oxygen.
That's a scary thing because you're like, yeah, I'm breathing. My body doing what it should to breathe back and forth, but my oxygen level is still dropping.
Dunnigan is now on the road to recovery. He says he'll be getting a vaccine as soon as he can.
I'm not just doing it for myself. The same thing with the mask situation. You're just not wearing a mask for yourself. You're wearing a mask for other people.
Across the U.S., vaccination rates are up. According to the CDC, the average rate of vaccines hit 500,000 people per day for the first time since June. I talked to the U.S. Surgeon General, Dr. Vivek Murthy. He's encouraging people to talk to their family and friends about getting it if they haven't already.
It's really the most important step that we can take to ultimately protecting ourselves and our families. And Delta is really making that all the more urgent.
Dunnigan hopes his story will show others COVID is real and relentless.
I'm excited, I'm elated about it, that how I was able to go home and I was able to be with my family. And, I just thank God for all he have done.
In Kansas City, Emma James, KSHB 41 News.